In this video, I'm going to show you how to install any websites using Google Chrome on your PC. This is going to allow you to install a website as an app on your PC, and you can have that for quick access, and it's going to allow you for easy and quick access. So you want to simply open up Google Chrome and head over to whatever website. I'm going to use YouTube as an example. So head over to youtube.com, and once you're there, you would normally see if the site has a direct app. You will see it from the address bar towards the right. You'll see this little PC window here with a down arrow for download. It's going to allow you to click on it, and you will see the option to install on your computer. Alternatively, it could be whatever website. I'm going to use, for example, fcbarcelona.com, right? I'm going to head over to their official website because I'm a Barcelona fan. And so you head over to the website, and what's going to happen is that if you don't see the icon here that you can download, another way you can find this or to install it as an app is to click the three dots on the upper right in Chrome, go down to where it says cast, save and share, and you will see it says install. And you click on that install, then click on install again, and it's going to install it on your PC as an app. And as you can see right here, it's on my PC. I'm going to minimize this. You can see it on my desktop as well. I can double click, I can open it. And that's it. And if I go to my start on my PC as well and type in Barcelona, for example, you will see that it's there as an app. I can click on it as well. And that's it. That's how you can install any website on your Windows PC using Google Chrome.